Hey guys, it's Parker Home 100. I'm sitting in the same fort that I was in that last video, using the same guns, Beeman .22, Gamma Whisper .77, using the Gamma Blue Fire tips for the Whisper and the Gamma bombs for the Beeman. Hopefully I'll get something. It's been kind of quiet this morning. Hey guys, I got a squirrel right in front of me. You can hardly see him because it's a shadow. But I'm going to try to take him with my Beeman. Here we go. Oh yeah, he's done. Hey guys, I got my squirrel. Shot him right in the back of the head. This is a little gory, but at least he didn't suffer. I'm gonna stay out here because I can kill 5 more squirrels today. She's a female. Pretty good gray squirrel. Alright, it started to get a little quiet, so I'm gonna see what happens when I use my primo squirrel call. Hey guys, got a squirrel on this log right in front of me. Let's see if I can get him. Oh, got him. Oh, he's laying down. He's done. Hey guys, welcome to my squirrel. Oh, he laid right where he was. Oh, headshot. Oh yeah, right in the neck. There's another big male gray squirrel. I don't know. There were about 7 in front of me after I used that call. Just decided to get him. Saw the biggest one. Alright, I still got an hour or two alive. Let's see if I can get anything else. Hey guys, I got one on the exact same log as the last one. Let's see if I can get him. Oh yeah. Hey guys, I made it to the squirrel. It's a nice gray squirrel. Shot her right in the eye.